they are saying that Shabanu was chosen to sacrifice for her family.
I think
Wherever the lost it goes to find. I break the heart that starts to leave you. As hard as you try, no, I will never be knocked down. Well, I can't keep up with your turning tables under your thumb. I can't.
Okay, so in this book, they have given two choices to Shabanu, that whether she should choose her family or her freedom. So, because she was not free to do certain things, she was married to young people. When she was young, she had to marry someone. So, there were some restrictions that she had to face. So now they're saying that Shabanu has to choose whether they have to follow her dreams or she has to choose her family. So it's the whole book. So that girl is Shabanu that they have has shown. This one is the animated picture of it.
Turning table.
Okay. Let me get out of it. Okay, class. So I forgot to take your attendance, so I will be taking your attendance now. After this, we will do comprehension.
okay, ma'am. Shubhanu pet name is Bichu.
Miss, I am
Yes.
Valila Malik.
Camel name is Mithu. Her camel's name was Mithu. Okay, that's great. Okay, so Valiullah is present.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, grade 6 attendance. Okay, Vali. Next, Nehan is present.
Yes, Miss.
Umair is present.
Yes.
Ali Mahmood is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Who else? There are 6 people. Only four students are present today.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so now let's discuss the question answers, the comprehension. Everyone open your books. Nehan shared me the pictures.
Miss,
Hmm?
Miss, we want to do the comprehension on our copy.
Yes, you will definitely do in your copies. So question number 1. Who will read the question number 1?
May I will?
Okay.
What does Shabanu take with her to the water hole?
Okay, so the first question is, what does
A
Shabanu
bucket.
take with her to the water hole? So
A
what does
bucket.
she take with her? Who will tell me without seeing the book?
A bucket, Miss.
Yes, and there was a
Her
pot
camel.
and her camel. Very good. So, question number 2. I will give you the written answers too, but first let's discuss these answers.
Miss, you will send
We
PDF
will
file in
take
group.
the book.
Yes, I will share the file.
Okay,
Okay.
Miss.
Question number 2. How does Shibanu manage to carry 2 pots to the water hole? How does she carry? How does she manage
With her
to
camel.
balance? Hmm? Who will answer?
Miss, with her camel.
With her camel, she manages to balance the pots. No, with rounded
No.
molded rings. Do you remember? She put that ring on her head to balance it. Right? She take one pot through her arm and
One pot
she
on her head.
manages it. Hmm?
One pot on her head.
Yes, one on her head, one by her on her arm,
On
and
her arm.
with the ring. Okay, what changes will the monsoon bring to the family's way of life? So what does monsoon brings to them?
Miss Rain.
Rain, yes. And
Sunny weather.
sunny weather, no. Monsoon doesn't bring sunny weather. In
Wind.
deserts, there's already sunny weather.
Rain and wind.
Hmm?
Rain
Wind.
and
Wild.
Wind, yes. Flowers,
Cloudy.
wedding, season of wedding.
Cloudy.
Hmm. Cloudy? No. Maybe, yes, rainy season. So cloudy, obviously. Okay. So the monsoon will bring rain, happiness, weddings, flowers. Yes. Okay. So next question number 4. How does Shabanu make sure that the water she collects in her pot is clean?
Ma'am, I think so. They clean the
Miss,
water.
they take
Actually, they clean the water.
her chadar.
Yes. She takes her chadar and she puts all the scums away, and
And you can
she
say that.
net also. But Shabanu used to spread her chadar that she had at that time, and she filtered the water through the help of that chadar.
Yeah. Ma'am,
And
at the father
hmm,
knock, he put the soap.
hmm, yes, okay. Why do you think the water level is so low? What's the reason that there is low quantity of
because they
water
live
on the
in
desert?
because they live
Miss,
in desert.
I
Ma'am,
know,
yeah,
but
there
why
is
the water is so less
in
or
the
little water in the
not
desert?
water.
Because of the
Miss,
sunlight.
because many people are in the desert, they also take the water.
No, no, they
It's
take
because
water.
of the sunlight
Yes,
of
because
the
of the
desert.
The
sunlight.
whole name was Tuba. The whole name was Tuba.
Hmm?
The whole name was Tuba. Where
Yes, the whole
Shabani
name
got
was
the water.
Tuba. Okay,
Where
why
Shabani got the
there was
water.
little water in the Tuba? Why there was little water in the Tuba? Why there was not so wide range
Miss,
of water over there?
Miss,
It's
we
because
have
of
to
the
do
heatness.
closing. Okay, we
Because
It's
have to
because of
also do
that's why.
looking closely.
No, we
it's
will
because of
discuss
the
looking
heatness.
closely, but we will not write on the copy for now.
Okay.
I will ask it
It's
again, but for
because of
today,
the
our diary is to do comprehension only. Okay, tell me everyone,
it's
why the
because of
level of
the
water is
heatness.
so low?
Because of the heatness.
Yes, because of the heat, because of the
Ma'am, the
dry
water.
wind
Ma'am,
also.
the water of the heat, they got down.
Exactly. So now let's see the written answers now. Now let's
Okay.
see how many answers we give right. Okay, question number 1 was that what she takes. She takes 2 earthen pots and a camel, Mittu, with
Yes.
her to the water hole. If you want to write now, you can write, you can take a screenshot also of your screen. Screenshot भी ले सकते हैं. If you want to take off these answers, if you want to take screenshot of these answers. Okay, question number 2 was that how does Shabanu manage to carry 2 pots to the water hole? Shabanu picks up 2 earthen pots and a padded ring to balance one pot on her head and the other fits under her arm. Balance
Arm.
on her head. Okay, so one under her arm, one on her head. We give right answer. Okay,
Ma'am, how
question
they
number
managed?
3.
How they
Hmm?
managed? How they managed?
With the help of ring, she put the
Miss, we
ring on
have
her head and
practice.
then pot. Hmm?
Okay.
They have
And one
practice.
she picks up under her arm. One
Okay.
on head, one on arm. And
Okay.
without the ring, she won't be able to balance it. So, with the help of padded, rounded ring, she is able to balance one pot on her head and the other under her arm. Question number
Okay.
3. What changes will the monsoon bring? Monsoon will bring the time for flowers,
Flowers.
mushrooms. Yes, we
Yeah.
forgot mushrooms. Wedding
Prawns.
and water. Wedding and water. Question number 4. How does Shabanu make sure that the water she collects in her pot is clean? Okay, she pushes aside the green
Charger.
scum, the impurity that floats just under the surface, and place the edge of her chadar over the mouth of the water pot to filter out impurities. So she
Yeah.
put the chadar over the mouth of water and then she fills the water. Question number 5. Why do you think the water level is so low? The water level is very low because day by day the hot sun makes it would dwindle and it slips away with the hot desert. So day
Yeah.
by day the hot sun makes it shrink and it slips away just because of the hot wind. With the hot wind, desert wind. Deserts, I forgot to write. Deserts wind. Okay? Okay, class. So, one thing more.
Asan, can you show the questions?
Questions?
Yeah.
Okay, let me show you. Wait a second, let me unpresent you. Stop presenting.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Mhm. Got it. Now I'm going to present you. So these are the questions. What does Shabanu take with her to the water hole? How does Shabanu manage to carry two pots to the water hole? What changes will the monsoon bring to the family's way of life? How does Shabanu make sure that the water she collects in her pot is clean? Why do you think the water level is so low? Got it, everyone?
Yeah, ma'am. Okay,
लुकिंग
thanks.
क्लोजली हमारे सिलेबस में नहीं है.
What? Looking
लुकिंग.
closely? No.
Yes.
I was looking through your diary, today's diary. In today's diary, they mentioned that do comprehension. They didn't mention do
Okay.
looking closely. And they didn't mention do the word pool. But we will discuss that.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
So,
Teacher, we have to leave the page for um,
title
dictation
page.
words
You
and
will make
word
your
meanings.
title page. Hmm?
Ma'am, we have to have the page
Miss,
of
we have to
index.
leave the page of word pool and dictation words.
No, not now. I think you should do your word pool. I will send you your word pool today. Actually, in the
Okay.
presentation, we have
Miss,
here
Miss,
we have
please,
words meaning.
Miss,
I
please
was
send
writing
it
words meaning. Hmm?
before 12
We
o'clock.
have to
I
leave the page from
have to go
index for
to
index.
my academy.
Okay. So I will share it today. Like we have some meanings over here, like dwindling, impatient, padded, yawning. But I will share only few are left, like horizon, tunic, scum, monsoon. So I will write these meanings and I will share with you. Okay?
Okay. Now
Teacher,
we have to send you the picture of
Yeah.
the
Yes, you can
comprehension words.
send me the picture if you want to.
Okay, from the comprehension page.
Hmm?
मिस वर्ड पूल इज दिस.
From the
ये
work.
वर्ड पूल में तो ये वर्ड्स हैं ही नहीं.
Some words are I just wrote the difficult meanings, like the words that were difficult, that were rare, and there are other
Okay.
words too, or words bhi hai that we will do, and there are some words that were present in the lesson, like Isle of Wight, county. These were just like leaflet. That is, these words are present in your chapter. So I wrote it for you so that you can understand it. Like the word yawning,
मिस ये जो ये
neglect.
आपने आगे लिखे हुए हैं ये इनके मीनिंग्स हैं.
Ha. But I will
तो
share you
मिस.
another. These I will
Okay.
just specifically share you the word pool.
Okay. Thanks,
Okay.
ma'am.
There are few, so I will share with you.
Miss, please send
Okay.
it before 12 o'clock.
Okay, I will send it. Okay, so now let's come to looking closely. So, question number one: how does Shabanu describe the morning sky? It's in line number one. So, let's come to line number one. How does she describe the sun, the morning of the sky? Okay, how she is explaining the morning? She's saying the sky is pearl gray when I awake. Okay, so this is the way she is explaining the morning, that the sky is pearl gray means it's not very sunny in the morning, but it looks like pearl and gray.
Okay.
Okay, question number 2: godskin is made from two words put together. So godskin is a compound word. What do you suppose a goatskin is? What is it used for? So who will tell me what is a goatskin? Can you guess what is a goatskin?
Ma'am of a skin of God.
Yes. It's basically the goat skin, which some people use to stay to collect water or collect
Miss
anything
they
that.
Miss of goat skin they make many things like shoes, like
Hmm,
bags.
Ma'am of
exactly.
camel skin as well.
Yes,
They
camel
make
skin
use
as well.
of camel skin. Mostly they
Hmm.
use camel skin. Mostly.
Yes, mostly they use camel skin. And goat skin, sometimes those who have goats, they and the goats are not for use, so they just collect the skin and they use it. But in deserts, camels are very precious for them.
In masjid
They
as well.
cannot kill camels. On
Yeah.
desert, they cannot kill camels because without camels, they cannot survive. They have to travel on
Yeah.
camels, and it's important for them to make camels alive, so they use that goat skin.
Yeah. And
Okay,
God
next
skin
question.
is used in masjid as well.
Yes. Okay. Find a word that means getting smaller. So tell me the word that means similar to getting smaller. First word is shrink or shrunk.
I think it's strong.
Yes, shrunk and shrink both. Let me. Yes, shrink is the word. It means dwindle also. Dwindling means getting
Yeah, you can
smaller.
say. You can say.
Yes, but
Hmm.
shrink is more easier.
Yes, it's easy.
This is
Yes.
similar as well.
Hmm. Okay, Ji. What word is used to emphasize how hot the sun is? So, what word is used by Shibanu to explain the sun? Like, sun is so hot. So, what is the word?
Pray.
So, what do you think? What word she used to explain the sun? Like, she want to explain that sun is very hot.
The sun is very cool and there is very hot as well.
So she said that the sun is extremely hot. So, extremely is basically telling us that sun is very very hot. Okay,
Yeah.
extremely is the degree that tells us how intense the hotness is. So the sun hotness is very intense. So extremely is the word.
Yeah. So
Extremely hot.
that's why the water not the rise up.
The water dwindles day by day and it's shrunk.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so okay, everyone. Toolkit. What is a toolkit? Let's read out. Notice that this story is written in the present tense. Yes, this story is written in the present tense.
Okay.
To change it to the past tense, use the simple past tense. So if we want, like if you have noticed in the questions, we have given the answers in present tense. Like she takes two earthen pots.
Yeah.
Shabanu, not Shabana.
Yeah.
It's a
Shubhanu.
mistake. Shabanu picks up two earthen pots, and okay, monsoon will bring it's a future tense. Because the question was in future tense, So it is the monsoon, because monsoon is not there yet, it will come soon, so that's why it's the
Yes.
future. She pushes aside, the greens come, it's again present. The water level is very low, it's again present. So they are saying that in toolkit, if you want to change it in past tense, we will use simple past tense. Like the water level is very low, if we want to change it in past, we will say the water level was very low. Okay, like she took two earthen pots, simple past. She took two earthen pots, she picked up, and
She were
monsoon would
to pick
bring.
up
Hmm?
the pots. She were
Hmm.
rain.
Yes. Okay, present tense in
Really?
toolkit.
Teacher, we have to also do workbook.
We will follow the diary for now. We
Okay.
will just do whatever the diary says to us.
Okay.
Whatever the
Can you
diary
send
will
the picture
suggest,
of
we will
diary?
follow that. Hmm?
Can you send the picture of diary?
Okay, I will send.
Okay.
You didn't
The
get
diary is
the
in
weekly
the.
diary. The diary has been
Huh?
shared in the groups. Weekly diary.
I,
Have you got the weekly diary?
yeah. I got it. I have some.
So yeah, that's the same diary we are following.
Okay.
Okay, so in toolkit they have mentioned that present tense, I make Mithu carry the empty goat skin. So this is the present tense. Past tense would be I made. We will just use the second form of verb. Okay, everyone?
Okay.
For tomorrow, our task is that tomorrow we will learn how to write a composition.
Yeah. Okay.
Tomorrow, our diary is, when our next lecture would be, we will have to, where is grade 6? Yes, we will have to write a composition with the help of Venn diagram. That would be our next task. So I'm just going
Okay.
to briefly explain you what composition is, how we write it, because tomorrow we will be writing. So,
Okay.
a composition is like an essay that we write. We write, first of all, we choose a topic, then we introduce our topic, we make a
Okay.
summary of all the main points, and then we make a, final statement
Okay. I have.
in introduction. First of all, we
Okay.
Today
write the
class
introduction.
6 is difficult.
Hmm? Okay, it's not in grade 5 you used to just write an essay simple in paragraphs,
Yeah,
but
I
now
have
we
done.
will.
I have done in my campus.
Hmm. But now what we will do, we will write in paragraphs, or we will write in points. We will decide what we have to write carefully in this composition. In paragraphs. So first paragraph is first topic, or first main, our topic is about introduction. Whenever we have to write about anything, like whatever I give you any topic, you have to first think about the introduction. How you will write the introduction of of the essay or of the topic. So in introduction we make three headings, everyone. First
Uh,
heading is, where is your raise hand, chat. Mhm. So I'm writing for you, everyone, the message.
okay.
Okay. So first is basically our introduction. This is for you to remember. But tomorrow we will do it in detail. Introduction. In introduction, we have three things to give on the top of the essay. Okay, before starting the real essay, we are just going to give three things. First, topic. In introduction, we will write topic,
Yeah,
and
and
then,
main points of the story
yes,
and the final
summary,
part.
little summary of story, of main points that we are going to write
Okay.
in the essay. Like if we are going to write about good uses of smartphone, then
Yeah.
whatever points we are going to write in the body of the essay, we will give a short summary of the main points after topic, and then
Okay.
we will write thesis statement.
Okay.
Thesis statement, it means that the final statement, like at the end, if we say mobile phones are very good for students. This is our main statements, or our
Okay.
statement is that mobile phone is good for
You can
students
say
only if
computer,
they use it
laptop,
for the purposeful way. Hmm?
laptop and computer as well.
Yes, that depends on our topic. I am just giving you the example. Like in these topics, we can write like this. Okay,
Okay.
this is the introduction basically. Point
Okay.
one, introduction. Now, point two is paragraph one. Okay, that would be about first sporting argument. We will put our first argument about the topic. Like sometimes, if I give you any topic, you will be thinking in favor or against of the topic. So if you want to write in the favor of the topic, you will put your first argument. Argument means you will try to prove your statement. Like if you say I like mangoes, then you will, in first paragraph you will say why I like mangoes. Like mangoes are very sweet, they are very
Ma'am,
delicious.
you can say
Hmm?
benefit. You can say
Yes,
benefit.
benefits. So you will write in our topic 2, you will write first argument. Then you will in 2 you will write second argument, and then third sporting argument, and then the summarized arguments. Last conclusion.
Okay.
At last you will write conclusion. Like what is the result of your discussion and what is the conclusion. Okay?
Okay.
So
Okay.
first we have introduction, then we have as it basically depends on you how many arguments you want to give, how many arguments you want to write, or how many supporting details or benefits or advantages or disadvantages you want to write. It's completely up to you. And at the end, you just have to write the conclusion. If you are in favor of some topic, you will write the conclusion. If you are against, then you will write conclusion. Okay?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, miss.
So we have three parts basically. First is introduction, second is the body, third is the conclusion. Okay?
Okay.
Introduction, body, and conclusion.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
everyone?
Okay.
So tomorrow we will learn how we can write the composition with the help of Venn diagram. We will be making
Okay.
the diagrams on the copy. Like we will give making our rough sketch first, then we will
Okay.
start writing. First we will do the planning, what we have
Yeah.
to write in the composition, then we
Yeah.
will write. Okay?
Okay. First we will discuss, you mean?
Yes.
Is the
Tomorrow
comprehension
we have the whole 40 minutes to do this only. Okay, everyone, any question you want to ask, you can, because our time is up.
Miss
Okay.
No.
the compensation?
I understand.
This is
Hmm?
no our homework.
I am not able to hear you properly.
This is the comprehension is our homework.
Yes, it's your
We want
homework.
to
You
do
have to
some
write
copy.
it on your copy. Word pool and
Yes,
your
ma'am, we have to
comprehension.
send the picture. We have to send the picture.
I will send you picture. Okay.
Okay.
I will send you comprehension picture and word pool picture also in your group. All of you are added in the group, right?
Yeah.
So I
Usman.
will share the picture. Wait a second. I can share the picture right now. So I am just sending you the question answers in the group. Grade 6 group. Okay, so you have got this question. Now I can share the comprehension picture. Okay, class, have you got? Check your group.
Yes.
No, ma'am,
Okay,
I'm just checking. I'm just checking.
okay, check it now. In your
I
groups,
get
I have shared the comprehension questions as well and
also.
the answers too.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
and what
miss.
else do you want? Okay, only now what is left? Our word pool is left now. I will share the word pool also.
Oh,
So everyone, take care. I'll see you next time in our next lecture.
Yeah, ma'am, I got it. I got it.
Okay. So take care. Allah Hafiz now.
Allah Hafiz, ma'am.
Last miss.
Bye.
Last miss.